Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel Fiverr order without losing the completion rate. So first things first, here on their website, make sure to log in and then let's scroll down and here at the support and education, click on help and support. And then from here, we're going to click on gigs. Click on it. Then from here, what you're going to do, scroll down and click on contact us. And then click on selling on Fiverr, click on gigs, and then get your gig statistics. And then from here, click on I still need help. And then from here, you're going to click on the subject and provide the information that you want to cancel your Fiverr order without losing the completion rate. And then here at the description, provide the necessary information in order to make things clear and provide an honest information on what you want to happen. And then if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you.